You made such a mess.
It doesn't matter what I made.
You haven't made any progress on your weight loss.
Shh. You're gonna eat this now.
Okay. I need food.
And I still have no place to step.
Because you're too fat.
No, because you got stains all over the floor, and they're going all over my shoes, and I have white shoes, and I like to keep them white.
Don't pretend like you walk. You waddle. And when you don't waddle,
it doesn't matter. Am I moving from to and fro?
You can barely move.
You're not even funny. No one finds you funny.
At least I'm not fat and ugly. Can you go away?
I'm watching you.
Shouldn't you be editing?
Nope.
Losing weight?
Nope. So you like it with the cheese?
I do. Much better. I'm also very hungry. I didn't eat anything today.
Yes, you did. You had all that. You had pineapple and you had mangoes. You had a lot of them. A lot of them.
That's not food.
It doesn't matter.
It's just a snack.
I don't feel very good in case you want to.
Because you have diabetes.
Shh! In case you're curious, I don't feel very good today because last night I had leftover Cheesecake Factory that I had in the fridge for like 5 days that I had on my birthday. And I had it last night and it made me lose my voice. It was that good. I couldn't stop screaming. It was actually very good. I also had leftover. So I had all this Cheesecake Factory, right? I did film it for my birthday. I just put it back into the boxes and saved it. I didn't save, what did I not save? The fettuccine alfredo, I ate most of it. And
the salad. Truth hurts.
Like I was saying, I didn't eat all the food. I didn't sit. Oh my God, I can't with you. I can't with you. Can you just be, first of all, scoot over this way. This is a collab. I didn't save everything because it was like the fettuccine alfredo. Why bother? It fills me up so quickly. I couldn't even enjoy everything else. I saved the rigatoni. I ate all of that. I saved the cheese.
I believe that you enjoyed it.
Can you just eat? Just eat your food.
You really enjoyed it.
Can you just eat your food? Sit there and eat and don't say anything. He's eating all that grease too. All that freaking butter.
And what do you eat?
I made sure I didn't eat too much of this because it's too buttery. It's very buttery. That is spicy butter. Anyways, you guys, so I basically threw out half and saved half. And now I've gone through all the savings, all of the leftovers that I put in the fridge. They're all gone. As of yesterday, that was the last box I got to. And I had the orange chicken and some rice. The rice didn't really reheat well. It got kind of hard. But there's some little cheese, little bites, little fried cheese, and fried zucchini. And I love fried zucchini.
Yeah, the only way you eat a zucchini is fried.
Or a hookup. That it doesn't involve you. I'll eat that zucchini real good. Yeah. Yeah. Some fresh zucchini.
And you're gonna
fresh by the pluckings of the plucked right out of the
fresh
soil.
Chocolate.
Huh?
They're gonna full of fresh chocolate though.
You're disgusting. Look at your hands. You have all this mess to clean.
You're cleaning it. I'm not.
I'm giving you these paper towels. You ruined. Shapers. You can have it off the floor. So this scale, let me step on her again. So I was 337 for the pack. You're disgusting.
I'm healthy. I eat salad. I'm healthy.
You guys, I'm gonna weigh myself. Just listen to her speak.
343.4.
334. No, 343.
There's 346. She's lying.
Let's try again. She's sticking with that number.
343.4.
343. So I've only gained 5 pounds in 2 months. That's not bad.
Ready for operation.
The road to 500. Yay.
I will never be 500. I will never be on my 600 pound life because I actually have discipline. Unlike
I think so.
I have discipline.
You're gonna be like all the other waking channels.
Oh, my vitamins. Where are my vitamins? You didn't even bother making them for me, did you?
No.
Nuh-uh. I had a little... Where's the little cup? Thank you. Vitamin C.
Let's not pretend that there's not other pills with those vitamins.
Please, this is YouTube. You want to get paid or not? You're so ignorant.
There's nothing wrong about taking medications.
Okay, so this is for Orlin. I keep all my vitamins in the room so I don't forget because you're supposed to have it with food so it's more absorbed. So I'm gonna fill up his thing. Eating in Silence by Orlin Home. Is this everything? Yeah, that's good. Am I missing? I always feel like I'm missing. Nope. So you take all of these, sir. You just did all 7 of those at once?
I have experience. What? It's true.
I just got a very, very bad image in my head. Dark.
I have a video of it if you want to see it.
Okay, goodbye. You guys, this is Orlin's channel anyway, so I'm saying goodbye.
Want to try?
Nope, I don't. I do not want to try. So all the haters say that I waste food. No, I don't. Every last drop was just consumed. Why do I look like a clown?
Because you are a clown.
Like my face looks like a clown.
It's supposed to show.
No, it's around my lips. Like my lips look. Are my lips swollen? Do I have clown lips?
Yeah.
You know how the people sometimes they get their lips done, they look like this?
You have clown feet also.
Imagine if I came tomorrow and my lips were like this. Hey guys, it's me. We're gonna have some noodles. And they're very tasty, and I can't wait to eat them with you. You don't have to eat everything.
I'm not.
That's soaked in butter.
No,
You're
it's not.
gonna get really fat.
It's water.
Okay, tell yourself that.
Butter's mostly water.
Okay. Don't splash too much around, please. Who's even watching this?
Haters.
I have a headache. I don't know if it's from the food.
It's from not eating enough. So are you filming after this? Because you're obviously hungry.
I don't know. I have to figure it out. After you clean everything.
I'm not gonna clean it.
Yes, you is.
I is not.
You is. I'm going to be filming something for the Daily Channel. This was just for the main channel so people could see us together because they want to see us together because we haven't been together for 5 months. It's really been 5 months. Can you believe it? Wow. Time flies. The fact that this was a 1-year anniversary, so literally on June 20th, 2020, we filmed the Volcano Noodles and it got 5 million views. Nothing's
And we
ever.
broke off after that video.
Eventually. Most of my videos get 100,000 views the first day, usually. If it doesn't, it's probably a bad video. But once it hits 100K the first day, that's normal. And then some grow, some don't. Some will stay 100, 200K after a couple months.
Some keep growing exponentially.
And you're disgusting.
Still more attractive than you.
No, you're not. And then some grow into the millions. It really depends. It's luck, it's chance, it's algorithm, it's YouTube. They decide. So, anyways, we posted this. It was a normal video. Got 100K. I'm like, yay, normal. And then 2 weeks goes by. Now it's at 300K. Then a week goes by. It's at 700K. A week goes by. It's at 2 million. What?
Is this about your weight or your channel?
Okay, goodbye.
I'm done.
Goodbye.
I'm done. Can you turn off the camera?
Yeah, how about you get up and do it?
I don't want to stand up. You know how much work that is?
Goodbye, everybody.
Turn it off.
You're ridiculous.
You're fat.
Shh.